Hello everyone, it is a velvet apple tree. Now you can see this in Bangladesh, everywhere, every place, the velvet apples are available. I will now pluck some raw velvet from the plant and extract the seeds. This raw velvet apple seed is a favorite food of children in Bangladesh. Generally in Bangladesh, this fruit is available raw in June and it starts ripening around the months of September. I cut the velvet ounce. Now break it with something hard. I break them all down one by one. See the velvet seeds. Now these seeds should be washed with clean water. Now that I have washed these seeds, they are edible. It is very tasty. You can try it if you want. Thank you.